Hi, everybody. Well, I should turn that TV down. Uh, I'm back a little sooner than what I was expecting to be. I was all set to play Silent Hill, and I got everything hooked up, but my PS1 memory card doesn't work. So I'm back sooner. Um, Also, I found out what I was doing wrong. Turns out I have to build plots in order to invite people to live here. So everything I did up to that point was kind of pointless. So also, I don't get any new fruit on Mystery Islands. And now, Captain, when he starts ferrying me to Mystery Islands, I might be able to get new fruit from there, but it's not like a guaranteed thing. Got a groove going now. This is starting to rock. Nuh-uh. What you doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Check it out. I'm making a wooden mini table. This DIY stuff takes some major elbow grease, so I like to go all in on it. It's so worth the effort, though. You want to give it a whirl, making a wooden mini table? I mean, nuh-uh. I can show you if you want. Definitely, let's do this. I thought you'd say that. Alright, here's the recipe. Go study up. Thank you, my best friend for always. I can't wait to see how yours comes out. There's nothing like building something with your own hands. Alrighty. Okay. Doing calisthenics again. Oh, right.